Good morning, Enviro students. Today we're going to have you guys start what we call the Alternative Energy Project. You guys are looking at your assignment right now. I'm just going to go through and clarify a few things. This assignment, you might need some assistance on it. Please note we have 2 PLTs. Or actually 3 PLTs throughout the week. So if you guys need help, the links to PLT, which take you into Google Meet, are right here. They're on every assignment. So if you feel you need help with anything, please utilize us or feel free to email or message us through Schoology. Okay. The learning target for the next few days is going to be I can research and present one of the 6 types of renewable energies and then present it in a Flipgrid video presentation. So what you guys are going to be doing is each of you will be assigned your own form of renewable energy. Renewable energy is a lot of information to cover in a short period of time, and we only have 3 days of school left. So instead of making everybody learn just a little bit, we're going to ask everybody to do an in-depth presentation on one form, and then everyone can go and watch the videos and learn about these types of energies. So the 6 forms of renewable energy, I'm going to highlight them right here. You have biomass, geothermal, hydroelectric, solar, tidal, and ocean energy are the same. They have interchangeable names. And then the last one is wind. So if you guys look at the chart just below this, you'll see there aren't any student names, but on your form, you will be assigned one of these forms of energy in the table I've highlighted here. In the second box, it tells you your form of energy. So here it says biomass, and then you're also given a device. When we get down to the graphic organizer, this will make a little bit more sense, but with every form of energy, we're going to ask you guys to explain how energy or how electricity specifically is generated using the device that you see here. And then on the far right column here, there are at least 3 resources you guys can use. The first one is just a Newsela article that was developed by National Geographic. The second one is a specific article that talks about just your form of energy. And then the last one, the student energy one, is going to be one that has writing and a video for you guys to use. Okay, I'm going to scroll down to the graphic organizer. Okay, so we want you guys to take those resources in that top table, and we want you guys to answer the questions that you see in this graphic organizer. So the first one is really simple. What is the name of the renewable energy source you were assigned? Let's say you were assigned biomass. Got my cap locks on. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to do. For the second one, what is biomass? Describe what it is, where that form of energy comes from. The third question says, where is biomass found in the United States? So look up, where is biomass used in the United States? Then you can tell us cities, you can give us states, like let's say it's used in Chicago. Or even more specifically, let's say it is used in Zion, Illinois. So that's an example. If you can find a map that shows states that use biomass, that would be a really cool graphic to use in your video. And this is what we're looking for you guys to do. Just fill out all of these questions. Can this form of energy be used to supply a large population in Chicago or Illinois? Why or why not? This question will probably be one of the more difficult ones to answer. So if you need some guidance, let us know. What are the strengths or benefits of the energy source? What are the weaknesses or drawbacks? These 2 should be pretty easy to answer. The last 2 questions are probably the most difficult. So describe how a device or machine can capture the form of energy to create electricity. So that's where you go back to that table up at the beginning. Again, I'm going to scroll up to show you. So For biomass, we want to know, how does a waste to energy landfill work? We want you to tell us how a landfill or the methane from a landfill can be captured, and then that methane, which is also natural gas, can be turned into electricity. That's what we're asking for you guys to do with this question right here. Again, this might be one of the more complex ones, so if you're having trouble or you need a little guidance, please let us know. And then the last one asks about, are there any environmental impacts associated with the device? So if I'm talking about waste to energy landfills, talking about methane or natural gas. So you can look and see, are there any environmental impacts that come up when we're talking about using this energy to waste to energy landfill? Do they have any complications with capturing the methane? Is there any issues that come up with burning methane? Does it cause any form of pollution? So there's 3 questions down here to help you kind of guide through what environmental impacts are associated with the device or machine you're looking at. Does it produce any form of pollution? Can it harm humans or their health in any way? And then, is it harmful to animal or plant species? So these are all the questions we'd like you guys to answer. If you submit your document on Friday, we'll be able to look over it and double check your answers and give you guys feedback, or if there's additional information that you need, give you some guidance on where you can find that. Next week on Wednesday, you guys will have the entire day to work and make your video and presentation. And then on Friday, we're going to ask everyone to get them posted by Thursday evening, and then have everybody go in and answer a couple of questions and comment on video presentations. If you guys have any follow-up questions, please reach out to us. Again, at the top of each of our assignments, we have our PLT links right here. You guys have 2 on Friday. If you need any other assistance or a one-on-one meeting, if you reach out to us, we'll be able to arrange that. Hope you guys have a great day and a happy Memorial Day. Have a good weekend. Bye.